Welcome back sa Buhok Gaming Channel. Buhok Gaming, yung Bitcoin 6.4 million pesos na yung presyo. Gusto sana namin kumita. Gusto sana namin makasali dyan sa bull run na yan, sa bull market na yan. Ano ba yung gagawin namin? Don't worry guys, in this episode, I got you covered. First of all, check lang muna natin itong CoinGecko. Yes, makikita nyo, 6.4 million pesos na per Bitcoin. So kung meron kayong isang Bitcoin, may house and lot ka na, may kotse ka pa, meron ka pang small business. Pero ang tanong, Buhok Gaming, wala na akong 6.4 para tumalpak sa bull market right now. Don't worry guys, dyan papasok si Bybit. Alam niyo naman dito sa Buhok Gaming Channel guys ha, si Bybit ang isa sa pinagkakatiwalaan ko pagdating sa mga crypto trading ko, spot trading, and syempre cold and hot wallet. Bybit ang ginagamit natin dito. And syempre, ang pag-uusapan natin itong MNT cryptocurrency at ano ba yung pwede natin pwede nyo i-take advantage sa crypto na to. Guys, right to kasi si Bybit, yes, meron silang MNT discount at kung pinapanood nyo to right now, yes, live na itong MNT na to. Ang tanong, ano ba yung advantage niyan? So right now guys, we are excited to announce the launch of MNT discount Buy on Bybit Advance Earn. Available from September 22, the new product gives you the opportunity to secure MNT at a discount no matter where the market moves. For me, big advantage yan. Just example lang ha, bago yung token, bago yung cryptocurrency, discounted pa natin makukuha. At the same time, bumaba man yung presyo ng crypto, ng token, don't worry, walang mangyayari dun sa price nyo. Kasi nga, naka-fix siya right now dito sa discount na makukuha nyo. Okay, what's special about MNT discount to buy? Ito guys ha, discount buy is an advance earn product that lets you set a purchase price before buying crypto at a discount price. Siyempre, unlike standard discount buy products, MNT discount buy has no knockout restriction. Ayun nga, no? Kahit bumaba yung price, okay lang kayo, yung discount nyo, hindi siya magbabago. You are guaranteed to purchase MNT at your present purchase price on once term is ended. You can also enjoy MNT holding benefits during the investment period. As MNT's market price rise, your discount advantage grows stronger, boosting long-term upside potential. At lang tayo guys ha. Right now, kanina nabanggit ko, nasa bull market tayo, nasa bull run tayo, nasa bull season tayo. At dito sa Buhok Gaming Team, kahit yung analysis namin, wala kaming nakikitang magiging problema in the near future. So, ibig sabihin, medyo matagal itong bull season natin, itong bull market na yan. Na-mention ko na rin yan sa mga ibang content ko. Back 2024 pa, sinabi ko na nagsisimula na yung bull market. At this very moment, yes, nagkakaroon pa rin tayo ng earning dito sa bull season, sa bull market na to. Diyan papasok yung magiging advantage by just simply holding this MNT token. Again guys, hino-hold lang natin yung cryptocurrency. Hindi tayo magiging greedy. Hinihintay lang natin tumaas yung presyo and what more na makukuha natin ng discounted yung cryptocurrency. Unang-una, bakit nga ba natin bibili niyang crypto? Yung MNT na yan, Buhok Gaming, di ba maraming crypto? Bakit nga ba MNT? Kasi guys, guaranteed MNT purchase at discount to no knockout restriction. Unlock the monthly verse, enjoy MNT holding benefits while you invest. Loyalty rewards, built-in buy more, invest longer, enjoy greater discount. Designed for MNT holders, ideals for long terms, believers, and strategic investors. Maximize your MNT potential with discount buy today. So the main factor, discounted yung cryptocurrency na makukuha natin. Buy now, mapupunta kayo rito. So, again, yung link nga pala ni Bybit, ilalagay ko sa description kung wala ka pang trading platform. Okay, so MNT, bagong-bago pa lang. So, dito makikita nyo yung mga terms, no? So, for example, nag 180 days ako. So, 180 days pa lang, makikita nyo, hold ko lang ito ng 180 days. 6.89% off na yung kikitain ko, just MR yung discounted ko. Okay? Kung right now mabibili ko ng mas mababa tong MNT token, and yes, discounted pa. Pero gusto ko lang, for example, 60 days lang, Buhok Gaming, gusto ko lang 2 months, magkaroon na rin ako ng earnings sa MNT, pwede rin. Discounted ka pa rin as high up 1.46 off. Okay, so ibig sabihin, discounted pa rin yung token mo. So, nasa sa inyo yan guys kung gusto nyo bilhin yung MNT token. And yes, nandito yung mga frequently asked question. For this one, please do so. Hindi na natin iisa-isahin yan. Pero yun na, balik muna tayo sa aking face. And yun na. Na-mention ko no, about dito sa cryptocurrency, about sa MMT token, about sa bull run, sa bull market. Previously, may mga content ako pinag-usapan natin to. At sasabihin ko ulit sa inyo guys, right now, since nasa bull market tayo, and syempre, yung Bitcoin tumataas yung presyo, almost 95% na nangyayari niyan. Once na tumaas si Bitcoin, once na tumaas yung cryptocurrency na yan, yung mga altcoin, yung mga meme coin, sumusunod yan sa pagtaas ng cryptocurrency or ng Bitcoin. So, ang magiging advantage yan, especially sa mga bagong cryptocurrency, for example, yung sila MNT, yung ibang token na pag-usapan natin, since bago pa lang sila, the potential na tumaas yan is napakalaki. Unang-una nga, nasa bull market tayo. Ayan ang number one na identifier ng mga crypto trader, ng mga nagtitrade ng mga cryptocurrency. Bull market, basically lahat ng price tumataas. Bear market naman, na yun yung kabaliktaran. Lahat ng price, halos lahat bumababa. No? So, right now, since nasa bull run, nasa bull season, nasa bull market tayo, the best thing is maghanap ng mga pinakamurang token as possible, discounted token as possible. O-hold lang natin yan. Hihintayin lang natin tumaas yung presyo na yan. Alright, yun lang yung ginagawa namin dito sa Buhok Gaming. Ayan yung best practices namin. Nasa sa inyo yan kung gusto nyo kopyahin yung magiging atake namin dito sa Buhok Gaming channel. Alright, and yes, always remember, Buhok Gaming loves you all. See you again in my next video. Salamat!